Today we talk about how can you enable auto backup on your app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for us list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on backup and restore. So then you come to this list here, come here to auto backup, click in this sign here. Then like you see here, you click here on configure here. So you click here on configure here. Then here can you turn on it allow access to all fields. So when we go back, like you see, it's backup, it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.